Oh my goodness, it's the worst snowstorm ever. What? Okay. Oh, we're gonna get 6 to how many inches? Yeah, right. Yeah. Try and tell me that's 6 to however many inches. Wrong answer. Oh my golly, I hope my gator can make it to the farm in this 12 inches of, or 16 inches of snow. Oh dear. I think there's so much snow on the ground that I'm gonna need to put the thing in low range and give it like nobody's business. Oh my goodness. Oh my good golly. I think I'm gonna need to put the thing in low range. I hope I can make it up the hill. Oh boy. Need some wipey wipe. Oh dear, I hope I can make it. Oh no, I'm sliding. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. 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 Yep, I'm icing up. We need some defrosters. Oh no. Oh no, this is not good. I hope I can make it to the farm. It's definitely cold out. I'll give it that. Not cold out. It's just gonna get ugly real quick. Forgot I can't go nowhere till it de-ices. Yeah. And my wiper's all iced up, so that don't help much. So the impatient person that I am, I'm just gonna go for it. 'Cause I get impatient from time to time. Not that that is really helping listening to it scratch the window, but I got the defroster on and it's just now starting to get warm. So, grr. I got the 4-wheel drive on to alleviate spinach, as you can see on the dash down there. Our 4-wheel drive indicator is on. And we're still not cleaned up yet of all the snow, but oh well. Oh boy, yep, she's getting slick, even in 4-wheel drive. I dare not take it out of 4-wheel drive because I will get stuck. Let's see, where's that driveway? Should be right about here somewhere. Yep. Well, I'm all the way thawed out. If that ice would get off the wiper, I would make things a little bit better. Slide out the middle of the road. That'd be bad. Slid down drive a little bit. I know, I'm a bad citizen. I forget to signal. But, oh well. It is what it is. Guess I'm gonna get started plowing. But before we do that, I got something I want to try. Is this little guy, because the magnet mount on my GoPro 9 is just a wee bit too underweight for what this thing weighs. this GoPro 9 weighs. So I'm gonna try this thing, see how it does. I missed. Well, I got all that snow plowed for about, I don't know, a couple hours anywho. I'll probably have to do it again in the morning. Oh dear Lord. This is not good. This is not good. It's all gummed up around there, and oh boy, I'm gonna need to let this thing thaw out. Oh dear. Ruh-roh. Ruh-roh. Thank God for a heater and a defroster, because I would have been up the creek without a paddle if I didn't have any way to, yeah. And my wiper is all froze. Oh boy. I don't really think smacking it's the answer, but oh dear. Oh dear. Yeah. Oh well. I wanted to go leave after helping Mom give pig shots. Yep. Uh-oh. We got a frozen wiper. Oh dear. Yep. That is not good. So Jason and I are going after it. I'm going to try and back my way out of here. Like such. And I'm already failing. What the heck? Oh dear. Four-wheel drive. I'm gonna get myself turned and spun around here, Jason, to get back into me. There we go. Now I can get out of here. And we're still froze. And then down the road I go to shovel more driveways. We'll have to see what happens tomorrow. So, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Maybe, if we don't get really snowed in.